Grade 9. Project 2, my first cooking experience. My earliest memory of cooking dated back to the summer vacation when I was in grade 7. I frequently overheard some of my friends talk about the food they prepared themselves. I also dreamed of cooking, but did not get any opportunities. One morning during the summer vacation, I was alone at home while my parents went to the market. Breakfast was not ready, and so I had the opportunity to cook. In the refrigerator, I found some green peas, cauliflower, mushrooms, minced chicken, eggs and noodles. I decided to prepare fried noodles for breakfast. I had previously seen it on YouTube. I took a pan and placed it on the stove. I put some oil in the pan, and then all the minced chicken, vegetables and noodles along with it. I added seasonings and some water. As in the video, I cooked it for 3 minutes, and finally, I topped the fried noodles with 3 eggs. Just before my parents arrived, I had successfully made fried noodles for the very first time. As soon as my parents arrived, I proudly said, "Breakfast is ready." They looked astonished and delighted. I served it to them with great excitement only to realize that salt was missing. Moreover, the minced chicken and the noodles were not cooked enough. On top of that, the eggs were still like the raw ones. What lessons did I learn from it? As opposed to the video I had seen, the ingredients did not get cooked in 3 minutes. My mum smiled at me, praising me for my great effort. She added some salt and reheated the fried noodles for 5 minutes. My parents finished everything on their plates. They also complimented me for making such a fantastic breakfast. Serving my parents the food I had prepared made me feel incredibly delighted, and cooking soon became one of my favorite pastimes.